today I have a special product, okay? Something that a lot of people have liked on my channel. It is the perfect, I hope, the absolute perfect GPS tracking system. One-stop shop, no need of SIM cards, none of that. Just turn on your app, turn this on, no plugging anywhere. Let's see what this is all about. Hey guys, Goki's here, making more videos again. And today, guys, we have that product right here from CARLOCK. You guys have seen me do that video before. I love that thing, but a lot of people didn't like the fact that you had to plug it in and stuff. It's portable. You don't have to plug it into your vehicle. You don't even have to use it for your vehicle. So without further ado, let's get to it. So there's the Genesis right there. This is the actual product, CARLOCK, and this is the CARLOCK Portable, okay? I think CARLOCK was the absolute best GPS system I've ever seen. All it is a plug-and-play device into your vehicle, turn on the app, and you're done. No need for SIM cards, no need for none of that. That's what I like. I want a one-stop shop, you know? I don't want to be buying this and that and just, you know, as long as you have your phone, you're golden, okay? You're golden. But in this case, they came with this guy, which is the CARLOCK Portable, which is just a small device that you can put in your backpack, next to your laptop, in your vehicle, obviously, but you don't have to actually use up a OBD2 port. It's ready to go. This is for portable. If you don't like the one that plugs in, you got your portable one, and it works the exact same way. I definitely like the portable one because sometimes I don't want to always track my vehicle. I want to track other things. This is where it comes in very handy. Yeah, it says it's a multi-purpose GPS tracking system. You can monitor your trailer, tools, equipment. A lot of people ask me these questions all the time on my other GPS systems. I like those GPS systems, guys, but they're not top dog, okay? CARLOCK, I think, is like one of the lowest price top dog GPS systems out there. I kid you not. You've seen my channel. I've tried a lot of them. There are 4 different things on here that actually really make this awesome. It monitors, and if this device moves without, you know, your permission, it sends you an alert, so you don't have to worry about that. Most GPS systems don't even alert you like that. If you're traveling out of country and stuff, or traveling in general, it can still track your device. You know, if you have your phone, if you have your device in your luggage, in your checked luggage, bam, you're tracking your luggage. Child monitoring, obviously you can put this in your kid's backpack or something, or whatever, and monitor where your children are, or teenagers, whatever, you know, put them in your vehicle and then monitor where their teenagers are. And then last but not least, a battery life that's actually really decent for what it is. They say this thing is on day and night for 14 days, half a month, without any charge necessary, guys. So this is pretty cool. So let's unbox this. Let's take a look at the details. I already know, since this is CARLOCK, the packaging is going to be really simple. Oh, whoa. Okay, that is the first time I actually saw it in person. You know, you guys already know me. I like to get my real reaction, and man, wow, this thing is really nice and hefty. It looks like something from James Bond. It's really funny. You guys already know me. I like to take a look at the stuff in the package real quick. Now this right here, I don't want to show you on the other side, but this is your activation card, okay? It gives you your activation code to get you up and running, okay, for the CARLOCK device. So yeah, as you can see, it says activation card on there. I'm gonna be definitely using this. And the last but not least, nothing else in the box itself except for the fact that some literature right here, some cables for charging it, obviously, and last but not least, a charger and brick. So everything is a one-stop shop. You don't need to like buy cables for this or anything. Now let's take a look at the actual device itself. There we go. So this is the actual device, and let me bring it really close to show you in detail what I'm talking about. I mean, it's a very simple, nothing much to it device right here, guys. There's some literature on the back with some IME number and stuff like that, but the main part on here is you have the power button on top right here. You have an SOS button right here. You have some LED indicators right here for the GPS power and cell LEDs. You have a USB port on the side right here, and also a screwed in SIM card that is already in here, okay? Now, if you're new to GPS systems, guys, a good GPS system will have a SIM card in there, because that's how it's gonna know, you know, where your device is, okay? If you don't have a SIM card in there, it's not going to be able to send that signal to the servers and stuff like that. It's not gonna be able to communicate, okay? So this one already comes with a SIM card. I love that for this company, guys, because a lot of other GPS systems that I've tried, they don't come with a SIM card. Already gonna have to do that, and then you're gonna have to buy a plan and all this stuff. With this CARLOCK, it's already here ready to go. CARLOCK also has a plan, but make sure you go check it out. The link I'm gonna put in the description below for their Amazon site, and all the detailed questions are gonna be answered right there. So let's turn this bad boy on and see if it has any power. Okay guys, so to give it full power, I have it plugged in. I want to make sure that it's charged so I can have it in my car. I think I'm going to use this most likely in my vehicle for right now until I travel somewhere and my vehicle's at my house, and I can put this in my backpack so I always know where my backpack is. The key is obviously hiding this device. It's not too bad to hide a small black box like this, especially if you have it in your vehicle. Okay, you can have this, you know, anywhere. There's so many crevices in your car that you can hide the car lock. Okay, so while the device is actually getting charged, I decided, you know what, why not download the app and get everything set up. So you can see, you can skip through this, or you can go through the settings, or you can go through what it says. Security, it monitors your, you know, car, device, backpack, whatever, vibration detected, it says right there, speeding, heart braking, stuff like that. It's really awesome, and it records it. You can also review the history, your routes and stuff, and this is all to your discretion. There's a whole demo that they show right there. You can see, like, it's getting me notification. Speeding, whoever is using your vehicle is harsh turning, harsh braking. It's really cool. It gives you like notifications. So there's a whole list of demos and stuff before you even get with the app that, you know, let you know what it can do. So step one right here is obviously you're gonna do the CARLOCK activation. Here's the activation code you put in and the serial number. This will be in the card, so you don't have to worry about that. So I'm gonna activate it right now by putting these numbers in. And once you set up everything, once you agree to the user interface and everything like that, you have the welcome to CARLOCK screen, guys, and you can choose whether you want it for security, for teen driving, fleet management, or any other thing, you know what I mean? So in my case, I'm just going to use it for security purposes, and then it says right there, activation complete. Look at that. Okay, so since this is a first time activation, now I'm gonna have to go for a drive to get a valid GPS location. That's what it says right now. So let's take the Genesis for a drive. Man, I need to wash this car. There we have it. We have the device right there. I'm gonna plug it in. I mean, it does have power, but I still want to plug it in just for right now. And you can see the two lights that are going on, power and CL, and the GPS light goes on, I believe, every 30 seconds because it sends a signal every 30 seconds to make sure that it doesn't drain the battery completely. Pretty awesome. Let's go take it for a drive. Okay, I have the device right here. I'm gonna put my cell phone right here and see if it connects. There we have it, and it should be able to connect. So let's get this thing for a drive. Alrighty guys, as you can see, I've already got it connected. Now I just want to say real quick, this thing already was powered. I thought that I would actually needed to charge it, but I didn't. I just need to press the button, the power button that's up here, a lot harder. This is not a, you know, cheapo kind of device. This is a very tough device because it is a tracker that you're going to be putting somewhere that you're, you know, hiding or something like that, and maybe it might fall and stuff. It needs to be able to take that kind of hit, and so that's why I actually like it. You just button right here, you got to press it a little bit harder for it to actually power on. As you can see right now, the power is on. Like I said, the GPS is on and sending signal, and also the cell is working. You can see right there, I've zoomed in, but you can definitely see my vehicle right there. And for right now, it shows a vehicle, but I don't care. It's just a marker, so I'm really not worried about that. But yeah, it's freaking awesome, guys. I gotta say, it's a simple device, just simply works. You can see, go to the logs right here. You can see all your logs, trip ended, you know, harsh braking, harsh acceleration, stuff like that. The app is really nice, I have to say. I'm actually really liking this device right here. Like I said, I'm going to use this particularly for my vehicle, and you know, you can definitely use it for whatever you want. I'm gonna leave this most likely in the trunk near my spare tire, okay, not in my glove compartment, because that's one place, if someone's trying to rob your vehicle, that's the first thing they go to, is glove compartment and this guy right here. So I'm not going to be leaving it right there or right here. I'm gonna leave this where the spare tires, where, you know, generally nobody actually goes to check in underneath the spare tire. And whenever I need to charge it, I will be able to take it out easily and charge it for 5 hours, get a full charge, and it will last me like half a month. So that's awesome. Pricing and everything on this bad boy, you know, monthly pricing, and or if you want the yearly subscription, will be on the app. So make sure you go check it out. But yeah, I'm absolutely loving this bad boy, and I know you will love it. Alrighty guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase this bad boy is gonna be in the description below. Like I said, the monthly pricing and everything like that is gonna be on the app depending on your location. When you sign up for it, you'll see the pricing and stuff, and obviously the price of the device is gonna be in the description section of the video below. The customer service on these bad boys on CARLOCK is actually really good. So if you have any type of issue or anything, maybe the thing is not connecting or any questions that you have, you can always connect them. You know, their email address is everywhere on the website, app, even through Amazon, whatever you need be. You can always ask them questions even before purchasing, to be honest. You can see this thing is still working. I'm gonna directly right now after this video put this bad boy in my vehicle because I obviously want to start using this. Another awesome fact about this bad boy is that you can have multiple of these things and have it on the same app, so you can see what car 1 is doing, car 2 is doing, whatever. So I might be getting one for the Highlander because of this portable size device, and maybe one for my backpack or something like that. But I think I might get 3 of these bad boys and just have it in my car so I know where my vehicles are at all time. So leave your comments down below. What do you think of this product? If you have any questions, like I said, email the company and or ask me and I'll direct you to where you need to go. But there should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure you click for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, keep your share saying thanks for watching and peace.